to Sparky's adventure. First day cutting with the sawmill. How come the work area always gets to be such a mess so fast? Yeah, tools everywhere. But anyway, got that one log cut up that got started on yesterday. Come over here and take a look at these real quick. Got these 4 garden boxes done out of it already. They're about 14 inches high. Some good looking wood. 2 foot by 6 foot garden boxes. I gotta trim the top corners off, yeah, and they got a live edge on the top. Blue pine with a live edge. Yeah, all that mess out of one tree. That thing cuts good though. Really happy with how it's cutting. Oh yeah, let's go over here and check out this board. Clean it off real quick here. Look at how nice that is. It's almost like it's sanded too, it's that smooth. Let that stuff get stuck on there. Take a look at that wood. Some nice stuff. I mean, that's super smooth. Almost like you sanded it. I'll catch you guys in the next video.